Hello guys, I really hope you're having an amazing day and I really want to say thank you for clicking on this video to watch. This is actually our first video on this channel. My name is Kwame and I welcome you to the Church Impact. Now on this channel, what do? We basically want to give you tips and tricks to help you to improve your media ministry in church, especially in the place of live streaming. Now, from last year, we've been hit by a very cruel pandemic which has caused all churches and church services to move online. Even though we are still having in-person services, there are so many people still at home who are following churches from online. Are you going to be part of those moving online, or you are still going to stay behind? I think because of the pandemic and the way things are going, you still need to find a place online. There's a huge community online who are ready to watch your services, listen to your sermons. But how are you getting your service online? So on this channel, we are going to break down every single thing about live streaming and how we are going to improve our live streaming from day to day. So if you like content like this, I'll be really excited if you can hit the subscribe button and like this video. Share it to other people who also want to improve their live streaming in their churches. And let's have a good time on this channel. I really appreciate you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next video coming up soon. Thank you so much.